this is my problem. I don't think a bearing is supposed to see how that play. There's a lot of play in that bearing. It's not supposed to be like that. So I think that was causing all my noise. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace everything since it's like 40, 50, 57-year-old parts. So I think it's about time they get changed out. Yep.